Hi, and welcome to exQUIZit, a social quiz-taking site created as part of a group project in CS108 at Stanford. We're going to give you a quick walkthrough of the site right now and its main features. So first of all, we can log in, we can see messages our friends have sent us, administrator announcements, who has accepted our friend request, and other important information here. We can also go take a quiz, create a quiz, or we can jump into our profile. Our profile shows us badges we've earned, our all-time score, quizzes we've taken. We can jump in to the friends section, and we can also add new friends. For example, maybe I want to find another friend my age. I can see Bailey's right there, so I can add Bailey, and we'll send her a friend request. Now let's go take a quiz really quick. Let's go take the Magnificent 7 quiz. You can see the top scores of all time, of today, before you jump in to get a sense of who your competition is. Name 2 members of the Olympic team, and let's say Natasha is the other person. Then who is this gymnast? That was Carrie Strug. And what made them famous? Let's say that. And submit for grading. We can see which answers were correct as well, so that gave us 2 total points. We can also go create a quiz. So let's do video example 2 for the video. There's it doesn't fit into any category, so we'll leave that blank. There's a few other attributes we could choose. We won't go into too much detail there. So let's add a question and response right now. What fruit begins with the letters A through M? So there's a few fruits that start with between those letters, so we could plug a few of them in. And right now, we phrase our question that the user just needs to give a single answer, but we could also rewrite it to say what 2 fruits begin with those letters. And in this case, we would just say now the user needs to get 2 answers, so we can add that to the quiz. We can also add a few different types of questions, like multiple choice. Pick the first, we would say first, second, and then we just tell it which answer choice it should be. So we'll add that to the quiz, and that's probably a good quiz to start. So now we're going to log out really quick and go look at that friend request we sent. So we'd sent it to Bailey. And when you log in, you can see Marie's friend request is right here. We can accept it. And finally, I just wanted to show you a third type of user here, who's the administrator. So his interface is slightly different because he can post announcements, manage quizzes, kick people off if they're not being good users. We can also send messages and challenges to other people. So those are the main features of the site, and thanks for listening.